Hi, I hope you're well. Now in this video, I want to show you another method that I came across which allows you to delete temporary files from your computer in order to speed up the processing speed of your computers. Now in the last video, I spoke about refreshing like this, which is good, but the effectiveness is not that great. So you can do this. However, I highly recommend that you do this also. You're going to go to the bottom here and you're going to tap in run. Here we go, run app. You're going to tap on it. On tapping on it, you're going to type in this temp percentage. Very important. Previously, I only taught you only to put temp in. On putting temp in, which was in the last video, you'll get a number of files which were good for you to delete. But the effectiveness, that real level of effective delivery of permanent deleting files from your computer, is with the temp percentage. On tapping on that, you're going to get a lot more files that you can delete. Look at these babies. These are important that you delete from your computer so that you can increase the speed of your Windows. And I'm going to highlight them all right down to the bottom. Can you see this? Then I'm going to tap on Shift Delete. On tapping on Shift Delete, this pop-up is going to come in front of my beautiful eyes. Are you sure you want to permanently delete 177 items? Yes, let's delete these babies, man. Delete them. Here it's saying, oh, this action become complete because the file is open. I'll just skip it. No worries, skip. This is very effective. You skip, because currently I'm using some of them and I do not want to delete things that I'm currently using. So that's it regarding the deleting of permanent files which are stored in an old memory of your computers. When you do this, you need to close everything and go back to your desktop and refresh. And I can assure you the speed of your computer will increase to a great degree. So do this. If it doesn't work for you, there might be another problem in your computer system. I hope you've liked the video. Subscribe, comment below, and share the content with your friends and family. Thank you for your undivided attention and thank you for your support. Chat with you in the next video. Take care and bye.